Today we are going to learn how to change the standard filter lubricator bowl in the air preparation unit. This is our standard filter regulator. Let's first see how to change the filter bowl in the filter regulator. Remove the metal guard from the filter regulator. Push down the lock mechanism to unlock it. Rotate the metal guard to release it fully. Carefully pull out the metal guard from the regulator body. Remove the old filter bowl. Now unwrap the new filter bowl and properly seat the seal. Place the new filter bowl inside the body of the filter regulator. Reassemble the metal guard securely. And it's done. You have successfully changed the filter bowl in the filter regulator. Now we will understand how to change the lubricator bowl in a standard lubricator. This is our standard lubricator. Remove the metal guard from the standard lubricator. Push down the lock mechanism to release it. Rotate the metal guard to unlock and remove it. Carefully pull out the metal guard from the body. Remove the old lubricator bowl. Unwrap the new lubricator bowl and check the seal. Place the new lubricator bowl inside the body of the lubricator. Reassemble the metal guard securely. And it's done. You have successfully changed the lubricator bowl in a standard lubricator. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-3333 or visit our website spacpneumatic.com for more information.